Q3 is here, and if your facility is generating compressed gas cylinders on a regular basis, right now is exactly when compliance gaps start building up. Summer operations run hard, schedules are full, teams are stretched, and cylinder management is one of the first things that slips. Documentation falls behind, cylinders accumulate, and by the time Q4 audits arrive, those gaps are a lot harder to explain than they were to prevent. The good news is July is actually the best time to get a program in place. You still have a full quarter ahead of you. Set up a structured system now, and you go into Q4 with your documentation already in order, not scrambling to catch up. The end-to-end cylinder compliance program from Cylinder Recyclers is built for exactly this situation. Scheduled pickups aligned to your volume, locked-in processing and transportation pricing, centralized documentation across every location, and one dedicated point of contact who owns the process so you don't have to. You stop chasing vendors, your records stay current, and cylinder compliance stops being the thing that catches you off guard. The program is designed for qualified operations that generate cylinders on an ongoing basis and are ready to stop managing it reactively. If that sounds like your operation, the first step is a short qualification review on our website. It takes less than 5 minutes. See if you qualify at cylinderrecyclers.com.